Hey guys, what's going on? I hope everyone is having a wonderful evening. I'm here to tell you a little bit about one of my most favorite perfumes. I love perfumes. I tend to go for ones that smell girly and pretty and somewhat sexy rather than any perfume that is like older and musky. I feel like this is just more for my age group. This is like the kind of perfumes like that we grew up with. I'm 29. And then there's like the other old school ones that were from another generation. So I absolutely love this perfume. This is Pink Sugar. The way I actually heard about this perfume is a girl that I had worked with. She always smelled so good. She smelled like cotton candy, and I always told her, I'm like, you smell so good, like you smell like candy. And she would tell me that she was wearing Pink Sugar. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the container it came in anymore, but it come with Pink Sugar, little round carton with a white and pink swirl, and a white and pink swirl on the top, and it said Pink Sugar in a pink font. So it came in that, and then you just pop open the top and the perfume comes out. I don't know, I kind of keep my perfume like displayed on a vanity, so I just decided not to keep the box, but the box is actually really pretty and you could store the perfume in there. For me, it's just, I've kind of been using this perfume every single day, so for me to like keep the box, it didn't really make sense to, for whatever reason. It smells absolutely delicious. Like I said, it kind of smells like cotton candy, very sweet smelling, got some vanilla in it, and I absolutely love it. I don't think that anybody could smell it and be like, I don't like that smell. It's fun, it's happy, it smells like cotton candy. I get so many compliments when I wear it. It smells great and it lasts long, and I'm extremely happy with it. So this product dimensions are 1.5 by 1.5 by 6 inches, 1 pound, and the shipping weight is 3.5 ounces. This is actually, I guess because that's what the carton that it comes in. Well, let's see what the bottom says. So this does come in many different sizes. Actually, this is kind of not like the baby size, but it is on like the smaller side. I have owned the larger one. 30 milliliters, 1 floral ounce. It's got the little flammable sign there. Made in Italy. It's the swirl on the top that I was telling you is on the carton that it comes in. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's just so girly and fun with like the pink top. It reminds me of, if you guys have ever seen like Legally Blonde, it's totally the perfume that Elle Woods would have worn and sprayed on her resume. Just hysterical. I love the pink in it. It's so fun. And then it's like slightly colored too. It's like a yellowish amber kind of fun color. So this product, I believe, has been around since 2004. So, introduced in 2004, the deliciously sweet perfume for women will delight your senses. Its lively, aromatic scent is appropriate for any daytime activities you may have, whether they be in the boardroom or the playground. So, like I said, a lot of people compliment me on it. I always wear it to work, and I would wear it for a night out too. Why not? But it's so nice and not like overkill or anything, that you definitely could wear this out or during the day as well. This is launched by the design house of Aquilina. When applying any fragrance, please consider that there are several factors which can affect the natural smell of your skin and, in turn, the way a scent smells on you, which I find 100% true. Like, there's certain perfumes that don't really smell good on me, or that don't hold the scent, but they smell wonderful on other people. For example, Lovely by Sarah Jessica Parker, which I bought because I absolutely love her, and I loved Sex and the City. I was a huge fan. When that perfume came out, I was like, I have to buy it, and it smells wonderful, but I don't know, it just didn't really stay on me. And then, this lasts for me. So I think it really just depends on your skin. It says, for instance, your mood, stress level, age, body chemistry, diet, and current medications may all alter the scents you wear, which is something very interesting to keep in mind. Similarly, factors such as dry or oily skin can affect the amount of time a fragrance will last after being applied. 100% true. I feel like perfume lasts so much longer on me in the winter rather than the summer. So I really, really think that you guys should try out the pink sugar. It's holiday season. If you need a gift for girlfriend, wife, something like that, get the pink sugar. They have it in a hair perfume that they make as well, which is nice. They have a roller ball for a little small one, so you can put it in your purse, or your girlfriend, wife, niece, daughter, whatever can put it in her purse. And then they also have an Aquafina pink sugar creamy body lotion. So they do have other products as well that you can also purchase with the perfume. So I am super, super happy with this product. I absolutely love it. No side effects. Smells wonderful. Suggested use: apply a small amount to your pulse points for a long-lasting scent. I usually just spray like in between my chest and neck, like that, like area up there. I do 2 squirts and it lasts all day, so it's absolutely perfect. So I hope that you guys will try it out. I hope that you will love it, and I promise you're going to smell just like candy and everyone's going to compliment you. Thanks for watching, guys.